Hello everyone, this is regarding the first grade government degree college guest faculty recruitment information. I already made the video regarding this topic in a Kannada version. Someone asked me in a English version, so I am making the video in a English way. This is some article I got it from a newspaper where it says they are going to recruit. Means this is regarding a Karnataka government announce Karnataka Education Board. This is regarding a Karnataka government and under government first grade college guest faculty recruitment. They are going to recruit a 8,000 guest faculties, and the main point is they are going to recruit it for 2021 and 2022 academic year. Totally 8,000 teachers, guest faculties, not teachers but guest faculties. Okay, the official notification what I got is it is in Kannada version. I am going to explain it in the English version. So highlighted point only I am going to explain here. Say, they are saying they are going to recruit a guest faculty for government first grade colleges for the academic year 2021 to 22 for semester 1, 3, and 5th semester. And what is they are saying? The first priority or a preference is given to those who already worked as a guest faculty in government first grade colleges. The first priority is given to them only. And the question arises how they are going to recruit. They are going to collect all the applications, then they are going to make a merit list based on certain factors. Okay, based on that merit list, they are going to recruit the guest faculty. Okay, now question are how they are going to make the merit list. They have a three main factors. Based on it, they are going to create a merit list of all the persons who applied. Okay, the first person is regarding about your qualification. Okay, the what they are asking, candidate must has to have a 2 years of PG degree. Okay, and what's his score out of the 25% is going to consider. For example, for 100% 25 marks they are allocated. If you have scored 15% in your PG, then half of 25 means 12.5 marks is given to you. If you have scored 60% is your score, then you are going to get a 15 marks. Like that they are allocating the marks to each and candidate for their percentage in PG. Second is regarding a PhD net slight MPhil. Okay, if you are a qualifier, if you are finished your PhDs, then you are going to get a 12 marks additional marks. If you are QGC net KSET SLET exam qualifier, you are going to get a 9 marks. And third one is for those who already worked as a guest faculties. Means you already worked in previous years. If you worked, then question arises how if I work 1 year, someone works 2 years, it's also like per year they are going to give you a 3 marks. If you worked 1 year means you get a 3 marks addition. If you in 2 years means 6 marks. Maximum up to 16 years they are going to give a 48 marks. If you worked for one semester only, they are going to give you a 1.5 marks. Like this for all the applicants they are going to create a marks based merit list. And one more thing is for handicapped students or candidates, they are going to give a additional 10 marks. Okay, all based on the marks who scores highest they are going to recruitment. It's depend upon the number of vacancies in those colleges and subject wise vacancies. Okay, and the one more thing is, okay fine, it is for already worked guest faculties. Okay, what is this thing is, this is priorities for them. It is not they are only. If out of 10 applications there are 5 vacancies, and 6 people who already worked guest faculty applied, and 4 people who are fresher without experience applied, means all 5 are going to get those people only. But still, if after recruiting a experienced guest faculty still there is a vacancy, then they are going to give a chances to freshers. So what I suggest is all, including work experienced candidate and a non-experienced candidate, you please go and apply for this. And totally 8,000 vacancies they are going to recruit, guys. So what I'm saying, this is at the level, not level of exam. You have to write the exam, or it is like a department board. No, it is recruitment is at college level. Okay, the college management going to take the college head, okay, what is principal, HOD, senior staff, all together they are going to do this recruitment. What they are going to, they are the collect all application and create merit list and make recruit the things. What I'm saying is, you it is happening in college level. So you guys have to go to colleges, meet the principal or particular department HODs, ask them a application form. If they are a application form the giving, means take it, fill it and submit it. If they are not giving, you give them a resume, or write your own application, write application letter, attach your resume and give to the college principals. If they are going to recruit, they are make you a call. After guest faculty experienced candidate still vacancy, they are going to give you a call. Now one more thing is, if I don't have a experience, I don't have a net slide qualification, I only have a PG degree, then what, I am purely pressure. For you also I suggest that you go, give them a resume. If they after they are going to, however they are going to create a merit list now. If you get a more marks in the merit list, they will make a call to you also. But first priority is for them who have a work experience, and especially who worked in first grade government college only, not other colleges, they it is mentioned. Okay, take use of this opportunity. Go and person, it is a college level, so it is not announced in a internet. And what they are saying, they first they are recruiting guest faculty, then they are going to recruit freshers. After this also still vacancy, then they are going to upload the vacancy notification in their respective college websites. So you personally meet the college in every taluk. What I'm saying is, here is a college list and a number of guest faculty vacancy list. So you can visit every district, every taluk, there is a government first college. There are number of vacancy, minimum 4 to 5 guest faculty to maximum 1 faculty guest faculty in particular colleges are there. So what, every taluk there are a first grade colleges. You go and meet your nearby colleges, ask them a procedure and give your resumes, write your application letter if they ask, and if they give a form, it is good, fill it and submit it. And this is going to this recruitment maximum going to happen in 1 2 months only, because they are saying this academic year only. So what I suggest is, nearby your college, all the nearby colleges, not one, try three colleges, go and apply there. If your luck is good, you will be in a merit list and they will make a call to you. Okay, and it will get a guest faculty job. And November 6th KSET result will also come. If you qualify, add that also, it will be additional addition 9 marks they are giving you. Okay, take use of this opportunity, apply maximum colleges, okay, nearby you, where you can go and down. Up down is easy for you, where you can easily stayable. Okay, and more thing is, you go and ask them your subject, is there any vacancy? If there is a vacancy, then apply. It depends on, if one subject has a 2 2 3 3 vacancy and some subject don't have a vacancy, then it will be waste. But in your district there are 2 3 4 5 guest colleges are there na, you apply inside your district or nearby. There is no application restriction is there, you have to apply in this district only, that no, it is no restriction is there. You can apply anywhere, any much of colleges, and there is no problem. But many colleges are there, take use of this. Thank you for watching my video. Share, like, subscribe, comment, and if any like this, I made the Kannada version video. Someone wanted English version, so I made the video. So thank you guys.